Within the public school system in the Atlanta area, there are a number of schools located in food deserts. A food desert is an area that lacks access to affordable foods that make up a healthy, balanced diet. Live Healthy and Thrive Youth Foundation is tackling this issue through their Gardens Are for Kids program.
Hey everybody, I'm Lori A. Mans with Live Healthy and Thrive Youth Foundation. We're a 501c3 nonprofit organization dedicated to children's health and wellness. And today, we're at Tuskegee Airmen Global Academy building a vegetable garden from the ground up.
One thing that we try to do here at Tuskegee Airmen Global Academy is incorporate healthy living for our scholars. Through our cafeteria, we have made sure that they have healthy lunches that includes fruits, vegetables, and all the food groups. We make sure that children know how important it is to eat vegetables, drink water, and to make sure that portion sizes are correct. It's extremely important for children to learn about gardening and agriculture at an early age because it gives them an opportunity to see firsthand and experiencing planting vegetables in a garden. Another thing that we're making sure is that they're using it through the curriculum. In math, measurement is extremely important in all cases. So what we want them to be able to do is to utilize those life experiences. How does measuring and gardening go hand in hand? How does science and gardening go hand in hand? So our hopes is that through our partnership with Live Healthy and Thrive Youth Foundation Incorporated, that we can give our children a firsthand experience of gardening and the importance of living healthy.
There we go. Great job. Great job.
When we think about gardening and being able to grow your own food, we know that in the rural environment it may be more common for students to understand gardening, but here in the city they may not experience anything like this. And so what we're hoping to help them appreciate is that they can do this in their backyards, they can do this on their porch, they can do this in a small area, just like these 4x8 raised beds, and so to help them to appreciate that this is something that their family and themselves they can do.
It's important to show these kids about gardening because in our community we have a disparity when it comes to health because of the poor eating habits, because of the food deserts and all those things that exist in these type of communities. So it's very important that kids learn how to garden and grow their own food so that way they can make a healthy living for themselves and for their families.
We're so excited to be able to teach kids the origins of their food so they will know exactly what farm to table means. When you teach children early, they will learn healthy habits that they can carry with them for a lifetime. Today at Tuskegee Global Airmen Academy, we planted collard greens. We planted arugula lettuce, romaine lettuce, and cabbage. We're super excited that we're going to show kids exactly how they can plant food in the ground and just 2 months later harvest it and eat it. We're so excited to teach kids these practical, real-world lessons about food and healthy eating.
Because when we plant it,
In 2 months, we get to eat it.
we get to eat it.
Who likes collard greens? This is how collard greens grow, okay? Who likes cabbage? This is how cabbage grows. We're planting cabbage today, and we're planting collard greens. Who likes salad? Ooh, we're planting salad today. We're planting romaine lettuce. The wonderful thing about teaching kids gardening and agriculture is that we're teaching them skills that they can use for a lifetime. When you teach children early where their food comes from, what the origins of vegetables and plants are, they know exactly how to take those skills and use them for the rest of their lives.
The program is made possible by the generous support of the Home Depot and the Whole Foods Foundation. Live Healthy and Thrive Youth Foundation is changing the lives of our youth, one child at a time, one family at a time, one community at a time. To learn more about how you can support the cause, visit livehealthyandthriveyouth.org.